Hi guys, in this video we will cover our pizza body. Oh, this looks ugly. Okay, this looks funky but nice. Now we have to create a heart shape. We will create a funny heart. Okay, now nice. Okay, now go to this, select all the shape, go to properties, click on increase its stroke to 4. Now click on stroke and choose this option, width profile 1. You can see the name from here. Now we have to fill the color in this, so go to coloring layer, select all of them. Now go to live paint bucket. This shortcut, you can press your shortcut key K from your keyboard. Now go to properties and fill the color. We will fill gradient orange in our pizza, and we'll select a brownish shade for our pizza cover. We can choose any shade, but this one is looking nice. Okay, now for our heart shape we will choose pink. Pink is looking ugly. We will choose red. Yes, now we will done with this. Now we can hide our color layer.